Hi traders, exciting news. Did you know that Leverage is running a competition that will allow you to go and watch the World Cup final in New York City? Are you aware of that? If not, watch this video till the very end for you to be able to see this opportunity and also get involved with it. Hopefully you'll be the winner and you'll go and watch the World Cup final in New York with all expenses paid for. Guys, let's go on the screen and I show you what is going on at Leverage. It is very exciting. I've been trading with Leverage and you guys saw that I actually took a payout from Leverage, as I'll put the certificate here for the funding, and I'll also put a payout certificate right here so that you guys can see that I am actually showing you what I am also involved with, right? So without wasting time, guys, let's go onto the screen. Let me show you guys what is going on at Leverage and show you how you can get started and get involved with Leverage, and hopefully you can go and watch the World Cup final in New York City with all expenses paid for. Remember guys, use the link in the description if you're signing up with Leverage so that you can enjoy better discounts using my link, and also use the coupon code that is in the description of the video. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. Let's go on the screen, guys. All right guys, so we're here on the Leveraged home page. As you can see right here, you can get Leveraged to watch the World Cup final 2026 in New York City. The countdown is going on. As you can see, the competition starts in 23 hours and 16 minutes. You can go on to this website using the link in the description, and then you can pre-register and get started right now. By the time this video is out, this competition could be on the way. All right, so you can just join by clicking register now when it is live, right? So you can also come here. When you come to this page, you'll see this registration form here. Fill it in, click I agree, and then you can be able to reserve your spot and get started on this competition. Now this is how it works. The best one will go to the World Cup final in New York City. To get a payout from the Sprint account, your payout percentage is your score. So here we are going to be running this competition with the Sprint account. The Sprint accounts basically are these accounts right here, which you are going to be using for the competition, the Leveraged Sprint account. You only need to achieve a profit target of 2% to get funded with the Sprint account, right? And when you get funded, these are the rules right here. All right, you get a trading account up to $100,000. It is only a single phase and the daily drawdown is 1%. You get your first withdrawal instantly, and then you can start from $49, just $49. That $49 can get you an account of $10,000 right here. So you can get a $10,000 account for $49, and then you can also join the competition for you to be able to trade. Now the competition doesn't matter what account size you choose, you will still be able to compete. The competition, it is going to be based on the amount of withdrawal you are going to withdraw in percentage wise, not in money terms, right? For example, if you have a $10,000 account and you withdraw 5%, and a person who has a $100,000 account withdraws 2%, you will still be more eligible than that person to go on to the next level of the competition. So the withdrawal is going to be based on the percentage of withdrawal that you have made, not on the amount in dollar terms. So these are the conditions right here. So the profit target is 2%, the daily loss is 1%, maximum loss is 1%. Make sure you keep all these things in check right here so that you can be able to go on with the competition, right? So when you come to the competition, you make sure that you are actually trading to your best. Guys, use the one candlestick strategy and use the strategy I've shown you guys here on the channel to be able to get yourself going and participate in this competition. I want to see one of you guys going to New York City to go and watch the World Cup final. I myself will also be involved in this competition. Hopefully I'll be also trading my way to New York to watch the World Cup final. So what you're going to do here is you want to buy any Sprint account to join the competition by trading a Sprint evaluation, show your skills and get funded. Any size of Sprint account for you to get started, and then your payout percentage is your score. You can buy multiple Sprint accounts and your highest payout percentage is your score. So if you get percentage which is higher than everybody else, you will be able to go on to the final 4 traders battle, which is going to be a live trading event where 4 traders will be battling to get the final prize, right? So here you get 2 tickets to the World Cup final in New York, right, where you'll be able to watch the historic final of the World Cup in New York City. You will get flight and accommodation all catered for by Leveraged Pro Farm, right? You guys can see how Leveraged has brought you value. I've showed you guys how Leverage has been a very legit pro farm. I got my payout, guys. I'll put the certificate again here, and I also got funded. I'll put the certificate here again for you guys to see. I always bring you only legit pro farms that are always going to be supporting you as a trader to get you funded all the way until you get your payout, right, without having to pull your leg here or try to make things very difficult and complicated for you after you've paid, right? Leveraged is a pro farm that you should be trading with today, right? Also, in this competition, there are daily prizes of up to $200, right? You can host your friends for the match of a lifetime, right? So this is how you are going to get involved with this competition for you to get yourself tickets to go to New York to watch the World Cup final. Make sure you are following the rules, right? Only achieve 2% profit target. News trading is allowed for sprint challenge, right? It is allowed. You get your withdrawal instantly for the first withdrawal. This is a single phase challenge. You don't have to go through 2 phases. Make sure your daily drawdown is below 1%, right? And make sure your maximum drawdown is below 1%. Guys, I want to see you guys getting involved with this. I want to see you guys engaging with this. I want to see you guys going in, get a 10K challenge, buy as many sprint challenges as you can, and get involved with this competition. Do not think that you cannot win this competition, guys. If you know how to trade, you can win this competition. Don't say you cannot be the winner. Neither can I say that I may not win. It's possible I can win this. So I'm also going to give myself a try, give myself a shot. You never know. The next video that I'll be making will be me in New York City watching the World Cup final. So guys, use the link in the description. Get involved with Leverage Pro Farm today. Buy yourself a sprint account challenge and get started into this competition here. Remember, all the money that you withdraw is yours to keep, as well as you getting an opportunity to be able to win this competition and get yourself taken to New York City for the World Cup final with all expenses paid for. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you in the competition. Until next time, peace and out.